An area high school is heading to D.C. this spring, and they're going to be putting their Constitution knowledge to the test. But before they go, they're inviting you to join them for a few fun events. It's happening in your community. The St. Joseph Ogden High School Constitution team, and joining me is Coach Marshall Schacht, as well as a few of the team members. Welcome.
Well, thanks for having us.
Okay, I have to be honest. When I think of St. Joseph Ogden High School, immediately you think of athletics. But this is who we need to be thinking about, right?
Well, at least for the time being. We're very proud of our girls team that just finished third.
Right?
And we have an exciting spring coming up with softball, baseball, track. Everybody is great at things. And then we have scholastic competitors here, too. St. Joe just does a great job competing at about anything. And this Constitution team is something that actually gets to compete on the national level.
That is exciting. So Cole over here, he's going to tell us a little bit about your team. This is only about half of you, right?
Right, so basically what we have here is Coach Schacht and I, and then a representative from each unit out of 6. And we're just here to answer some questions about our units and kind of what we do at the state and national level during the competitions.
Okay, tell me about units. I don't know what you're talking about.
So we have 6 units. Each are comprised of 3 or 4 people. And with those units, there's kind of a theme question, like one big theme question, and then 3 questions below it. And what we do is form these responses, and then the judges will ask us questions after our responses, and we kind of, based off facts and court cases and things like that, we talk about those.
Oh, wow. Okay, we're going to pass the mic along so that we can have some other friends here have an opportunity to speak. You have a great opportunity to go check out D.C. this spring. So tell me about what you're going to be doing there.
Yeah, so I've actually been to D.C. once, and it was a long time ago. I was pretty small. But, yeah, I mean, we hope to visit as much stuff as we can. I mean, as many of the monuments and things like that. And the Smithsonian's a lot of fun. I remember some of that. So I think it's just going to be a super fun experience, just kind of for all of us to kind of be able to hang out with, hopefully not too many parents around all the time, hovering around. Just
Actually, none.
Just a fun time for all of us kind of on the city, and as we're all kind of, I don't know, growing up.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
He's keeping it honest.
But I certainly hope that we have other issues other than just seeing the sights, right?
Right.
We have goals that are a little bit greater than that.
Aren't you going before Congress? Let's let somebody else share about that, because I heard you're gonna be going before some pretty important
some judges,
people.
right, from across the country.
Well, yeah, so for our state level and for our national level, we go in front of actual judges, not just people judging the competition, but judges for their profession. And so through that, we then get to present our questions for them, and they judge us as if they would judge like a court case or anything.
Okay, so I've got a question. We've got 4 left here. Who are you going to pass it off to? She's feeling confident.
All right.
Okay, so Unit 1, I'm going to pretend that that's your unit. Oh, whoops. Do we have any Unit 1s?
We do
so
have a unit.
Prepared.
Oh, well, she should still be able to answer
still?
the question.
Okay.
She's actually from Unit 6 if you wanted to give her one of those. But this question is actually related, so go for it.
Well, oh, okay.
Go for it.
And don't expect me to know the answer. What are the philosophical and historical foundations of the American political system? And Mr. Marshall's going to let me know if you answer correctly.
So basically, as we all know, like our historic past does have a lot to do with our current government that we have going on today. So that's something that I emphasize a lot in my unit for Unit 6. It's the role of being, you know, a citizen and the importance of it. So it's actually interesting because all our units actually kind of correlate with each other. So we actually help each other a lot. So, yeah.
Did she get it?
She did pretty well making the connection. That's actually a big thing that the judges are listening for is can you actually connect the topic that you have prepared? And in her case, it would be immigration or voting, so nice job.
Nice job.
But then she's able to make connections back to some of the Greeks and Romans and our founders. So this guy's from our founding period, so maybe he can talk a little bit more about why we're more of a republic than a democracy.
Oh, okay.
So actually, my unit specifically deals with the founding of the Constitution, basically what the founders had in mind, mainly with the anti-federalists and the federalists, what they wanted to include in the Constitution, the differing views on it, which really relates to today's issues, where a lot of people are very controversial about certain issues that go around. But really,
okay, I have to stop you because we're out of time. But I want to make sure that we get to our last friend here who can tell us who we've got some great events, because obviously got to do some fundraising to get to DC. So how can people support you guys?
Yes, upcoming we have our trivia night on March 29th, where we will have a wide range of pop culture questions, and we'll also have different pasta there as well as bingo.
I'm actually cooking.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
Mr. Shocked is the one cooking for us.
Okay,
And
we're also looking at a trail run and a shopping spree.
yeah, the next day is the trail run after the trivia night.
Nice. Okay. Well, it's going to be a great time to support some super smart kids here from Central Illinois. I didn't get to you. I'm sorry. So that means you get to show us your dance moves because there's going to be a dance. Come on. Come
Real
on.
quick, time out. I don't know about any dance moves. I did not sign up for this.
I have to
Go
Hey,
to
you're
debate.
missing prom to go on
They're
this.
am
missing
missing
prom.
We are missing our senior prom, unfortunately, but I think that when you compare the experience that you get at a high school senior prom to a national competition, I think it's almost a no-brainer. Which one you have to choose?
Good
All right,
answer.
good. That's
Good answer. Okay, we'll connect you with everything happening with these fine folks at St. Joseph Ogden High School at CILiving.tv.